Hello po, what's up po sa inyong lahat? Magandang gabi, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Wala po tayong live stream ngayon guys, no? So, i-upload ko na lang po itong kanta, no? Na kanta po ng aking asawa para po sa inyong mga nagmamahal at supporters ng ating Kuya Dave. Kakapasa lang po niya sa akin ngayon at ang sabi niya is ito daw po ay para sa atin, no? So sana magustuhan nyo guys, no? And thank you for supporting Kuya Dave and supporting my channel.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do